All right, yes, quick one. I have been thinking, and this thing has been disturbing me since on 20th of this October that some people protested in Abuja. That protest was organized by Sowore. Sowore, by doing that, Sowore is the leader of that protest, that releasing Nnamdi Kanu now. And people, although he arranged it for the release of our brother Nnamdi Kanu, but what I don't understand is the fact that people that were arrested during that protest are Igbo people. Igbo people. The council of Nnamdi Kanu was arrested. The younger brother of Nnamdi Kanu was arrested, and they have been remanded to Kuje prison. For what offense am I asking? I'm asking now, which offense? Was the protest actually meant to pressure the government to release Nnamdi Kanu? Because when they arrested these people, someone went to the police headquarters to demand for their release. They saw someone there. They know that Sowore is the leader of that protest. They did not arrest him. They did not arrest other people. They left them. They insisted that they will hold Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer and his junior brother. I don't know. I have been thinking. I don't know. I don't know if what I'm thinking is, I don't know. Is the whole arrangement aimed at, holding people, or you trying to arrest and intimidate the legal counsel of Nnamdi Kanu, or what? What is the arrangement for? What is the unseen arrangement of this whole protest of a thing? I don't know. The protest is good. The protest look very, very good, very, very attractive, and every other thing. But then, why is it that the police refused to arrest Sowore? Even after visiting the police headquarters, where they were holding Nnamdi Kanu brother and Barrister Aloy Ejimako. Police, instead of arresting him, they refused arresting him, but they insisted of reminding those people to court, to Kuje prison. Reminded them to Kuje prison. I don't know what is the offense Igbo have committed in this country. I don't know the offense, actual offense Igbo have committed in this country. They keep on fighting Igbo in every angle. Well, look at the very dark man himself. All his campaign, all the people that he has been campaigning against are Igbo people. All the people that he has been dragging are Igbo people. Anywhere you go in this country, other ethnic groups are dragging Igbo people. What is the offense of Igbo people? If police want to arrest, they will arrest Igbo people. If another person committed the same offense that Igbo man committed, they will leave that man and arrest Igbo man. What is the offense of Igbo man in Nigeria? I keep on asking this question. What is the offense of Igbo man in this Nigeria? Why are they treating Igbo people like this? Eh? If they don't want us to be in the country, they should let us know. Eh? You cannot beat a child and still expect him not to cry. You cannot beat a child. He may expect not to carry back. Look at the whole arrangement. The whole arrangement seems somehow. The leader of something can arrest, and they arrest the followers. Oh, the leader. So what is the leader of that protest? If they're supposed to arrest him. Okay, let's assume that they did not arrest him that time. But then, Ghana police headquarters, why didn't they arrest him? Kamana, the arrest, I draw somehow tribalistic. Don't know. And I keep on asking, Kiyendi women. And our leaders are not speaking. Our political leaders are not speaking. Maybe they have been, threatened. Or if they speak, they will remind them of their wrongdoing past or what they did wrong. Maybe many years ago. They will use it to, maybe to prosecute them. Maybe that is why they are all silent. Well, we are watching. The younger generation are watching. And we are growing. Seeing the whole thing, the whole drama that is playing out. We are watching and growing. Thank you.